Hey dolls, so I wanted to come and show you this beautiful hair. Let me take my bag off. But this is the hair. This is the back. So cute. So if y'all want to see where it's from, then keep on watching. This hair is from Icy Hair, ISEE. So this is the box. And this is actually a U-part wig. So I got some stocking caps in here, and also this little slip that tells you like their Instagram and like their after sale program and all of that kind of stuff. So that's what comes in the box. So this is a 28-inch water wave, and of course the hair also came in this bag as well. So this is a 28-inch water wave. Water wave is like a looser kind of curl. My curl pattern is really tight and curly. So you will see how I blended it because my hair is left out. It is a U-part wig, like I said. And then like I have some heat damage. So I have a few pieces that are kind of straight. Like whenever I have styled it like this with my little clips in, you can't really tell, but if the pieces are hanging to the front, you can see those straighter pieces. I was tempted to just chop them off, but sometimes you can revert heat damage. Maybe not, but you know, you can make the hair be okay. Like the hair is still healthy, but it's a little heat damage, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just decided to style it like this and put my little diamond clips in, which go perfect because today I'm wearing like some shoes that are super like metallic, and also my metallic bag. So like all the silver stuff is just, you know, really cute with this little outfit. I'll probably show y'all my outfit real quick too. But yeah, so this is the hair. If y'all want to see how I styled it and got this look and everything, it's so cute. It's giving summer vacation vibes, and I'm about to go and head out and take my family on a little trip today. My man's birthday was actually yesterday, so today is like the celebration day, and when we're actually going to do something. So yeah, I love you dolls. I hope you enjoy it. Bye dolls. Okay, y'all, so I don't think I was recording at all just now. So this is the completed look of the hair. It came out so cute. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I really like it. My hair blended in pretty good. It's definitely more curly, but it still looks fine. So if you have like a tighter curl pattern, then you know it can still work if you want like a looser curl type of hair. So let me show y'all my outfit real quick. This cute little two-piece short set, like super summery vacation type vibes. I'm gonna wear this bag. Probably will put it on crossbody because we're gonna be doing a lot of walking. And then I have on these shoes, and then like silver jewelry. I have to put my bracelet on, but yeah, it's so cute. And I like the hair. It came out really cute. So yeah, thank you, Icy.